in the contacts area specifically, on the change filters, whenever you go into change filters, I've done a few different things. Number one, whenever you come in here, this top bar and this bottom bar will always stay at the top and always stay at the bottom. Everything in between now will scroll. So what you were just doing, you had a bunch of tags and you had to scroll all the way down to the bottom. That was a nuisance. So I decided to change the screen a little bit. The other thing is instead of showing all of the tags the way they were, like I said, you guys had like 1,300 tags. I've changed this so that whenever you come down here to the tags, all you got to do is click in there, type in, something like, 8x8. It'll search what you're looking for, so you'll be able to find it rather quickly, and then just be able to select it. And you can still assign multiples. By doing this, it alleviates that screen. You just was overwhelmed with all kinds of tags and trying to find just the right one, even though they were alphabetic. It'll be a lot easier to do it this way, don't you think?
Sure. Great.
I did go ahead and add in the filter. I did go ahead and add the language specifically for you guys, so you could go in there and say, find me everybody that has language set to Spanish, if you wanted to, and also the contact preference I added. So the main thing here was just trying to clean up that screen so that it did not, if you have a lot of tags, it doesn't scroll all the way down to the bottom to do things. These buttons stay here, and a few other minor changes that I made as well. But for the most part, that's there